Hi there, I'm Brenda Cadman from Bonaccord Creative, and in today's quick Canva tutorial, I want to show you how to use the Styles feature when customizing a design. So let's jump on over to Canva. You may know by now that I'm a very big advocate for creating your brand kit inside of Canva and then using that brand kit consistently in order to create always-on brand graphics and marketing materials for your business. And if you do have that brand kit set up, a Canva feature that you might want to play around with is Styles. I'm going to open up an Instagram post template here, and I'm using a template from Canva creator Melissa LeMay, who has some really lovely templates available on Canva. So let's use this as a starting point. You most likely will not see styles appear by default in the left-hand navigation here, and what you're going to do in order to access that feature is to come down here to the three dots that say More, and then click on that. And then you'll see Styles as one of the options to choose from. So what is this feature? The Styles option can be a source of inspiration for you if you're not sure how to apply your brand kit colors and fonts to customize a template. I will admit that I don't use this option myself because I'm a bit of a control freak and I like to have complete control over how my colors and fonts are applied to my designs. But if you're not a customization control freak like me, you might want to give this a try. You'll see a variety of trending brand styles available below here, but I am going to strongly advise that you not use these because they aren't your business's brand kit. And if you've listened to any of my presentations or courses or tutorials about branding on Canva, then you know how important I think it is for you to set up your own brand kit and to use it consistently for your business's graphics. Choosing another brand style, as pretty as it may be, is going to create visual confusion. However, you can also see that the fonts and colors from my own brand kit are also showing up here, and you will see your own brand kit options here. So that's what we're going to use in this example. I'll click on the fonts and then it'll choose a combination of my fonts to apply to this template. And then I'll click on my color palette and it will apply a combination of my brand colors to customize the template. If I don't like it, I can click on my color palette again and you'll see that it says shuffle, which means that it's going to shuffle up the colors it's using. I can continue to click on the color palette until I get a combination that I like. And then, of course, you can make manual changes to the design as well. For example, you might like 80% of what styles is applied to your template, but then want to make some additional minor modifications to get it the way that you want. For example, maybe I'm mostly happy with this, but I want to change one or two of the fonts. Now, if you have multiple pages in a design, once you've applied styles to a page, you'll also be presented with an option to apply to all pages. So I'll just open up a quick presentation template here that has multiple different slide page layouts. Let's apply styles to it, and then I can choose to apply to all pages. At this point, you'll likely need to go through and make some manual changes as you probably won't love how it applies the styles to all of your pages. So that is the styles feature, and if you're ever struggling on how to apply your brand kit in order to customize a Canva template to make it unique to your own business, this can be a helpful source of inspiration. Stay tuned for more quick Canva tips and tutorials, and if you're looking for a step-by-step introduction to using Canva more efficiently in your business, be sure to check out my Canva 101 mini course.